Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change lock screen wallpaper in Samsung Galaxy A17. If you're using A17 and you want to change your lock screen wallpaper, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to open your settings and here just scroll down and look for wallpaper and style. Tap on it, then tap on change wallpaper and here you must have to select the wallpaper which you want to set as your lock screen wallpaper. As let's say I'm going to select something from colors and for example I'm going to select this one. Just tap on it, then you must have to select only the lock screen, then select next and here just tap on done. So you can see wallpaper of lock screen has been successfully changed. So that's how you can easily change your lock screen wallpaper in Samsung Galaxy A17. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.